Uh, Hello guys. So it's working. Now my machine is working. I successfully connected my VPN, open VPN to my machine, and now it's working. So let's find the task one. The task one is all about so the during our scan, which port do we find solving MySQL? So we have to search for the port and the MySQL, the solving. Alright, so let's jump into. This is the IP address. I have to check for it. I went to the my terminal, and I'm going to search do and paste the IP address. So let's see. So it is taking a little time. So ESB is a map command, and a map command. So ESB stands for Service Version Detection. So So what it exactly tells us is the version and the service. It tells about the what software we are using and what version it is running in that port. So I don't know why this one is taking a little time. So I don't know the reason. I think my internet is not working, I guess. Maybe it's working now. So there is a four-digit number. During our scan, which port do we find solving the MySQL? Alright, so to find the port number, we have to use that command. So the scan time is like 0% done. Mm, it's a four character. Okay, so we have to find the four characters of the port. I don't know why this one is taking up too much time. So everyone liked my live. Oh my god, why this one is taking up too much time? my God, bro, why this one is taking up too much time? Alright, guys, so port is the port state service version. Mm, TCP, this one, TCP Open MySQL, yeah. So here is the MySQL. So this is the answer, 3306. Alright, guys, I just found the answer. The MySQL service is running in port 3306. Exactly, this one is running. So let's move to the another question. The another question is what community developed MySQL version is the target running? What community developed MySQL version is the target running? So for this, I think what community developed MySQL version is the target running? How will find this? MySQL version is targeted. Okay, is text based. I think it's Maria. M-A-R-I-A-D-P. Maria database. What community? Okay, so Maria database is a community developed MySQL project with a targeted running. Okay, when using the MySQL command line client, what switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username? When using MySQL command line, what switch do we need to use in order to specify a login username? So Maria database is the most popular community developed for alternative version of MySQL. When you scan a Linux server, you will often see MariaDB listed in the version colon instead of standard MySQL. Based on the question, when you use the MySQL command line tool, the -u switch tells the program which username you want to log in as. For example, to log in as the user root, you will type MySQL -u root. Alright. When using the MySQL commands like client, what switch do we need to use in order to specify or log in username? So the answer is hyphen hyphen u. What kinds of switch do we need to use in order to log in? I don't know. So let's go to the task for which username allows us to log into this MariaDB instead of providing a password. Which username allows us to log into this Maria database instance without permission? Let me check this. So which username allows us to log in this validated agency without providing. So which username? So we have to search for the username. Okay, so the username is the root username. Why the root username is the default administrator account for almost all Linux-based database systems. In many insecure or default configurations like the CDP challenge, the root account is set up without a password, allowing anyone to log in. So that is the reason. So root is a username allows us to log into this MariaDB instance without providing a password. So in SQL, what symbol can we use to specify within the query that we want to display everything inside a table? In SQL, what symbol can we use to specify within the query that we want to display everything inside a table? My God. In SQL, what symbol can we use to specify the query that we want to display everything inside the table? What symbol? What is the reason? The asterisk. Asterisk, bro. Asterisk is a symbol used to specify the query that we want to display everything inside the table, bro. Oh my God. In SQL, what symbol do we need to end each query with? Uh, End query, this one. No. Oh my God. What symbol do we need to end each query with? So that is the question there. I don't know. Still not this one. Yeah, exactly. In SQL, the semicolon acts as a statement terminator. It tells the database, this is the end of my command. Please execute it now. All right. So the semicolon is used to in SQL. It's query with okay. Um, so the asterisk symbol is a word that represents all columns. For example, if you want to see every piece of data in a table called users, you will type select asterisk from user. All right. So let's look at the tax events. There are three databases in this MySQL. An instance that are common across all MySQL instances. What is the name of the fourth that unique to this host? So there are three databases in MySQL instance that are common across all MySQL. What is the name of the fourth that unique to the host? Bro, I don't know the answer. So let's do some research and find it down. Then write it down. There are three databases in this MySQL instance that are common across all MySQL users. What is the name of the fourth that unique to the hub? Uh, so how am I gonna use this, bro? I think I have to use this in Domino. Let me check. I have to run knife in the Domino. Uh, use at the box and semicolon. Let's see, there is nothing. So how am I gonna find this? Let me check it again. Give me a second. Uh, still not working. I think this might work. Still not working. Uh, let's use this command. Mm. So I installed successfully. Let me clear this. It is going to work. Let's see, let's see. How can I find this, bro? This is pretty unknown though. There is no any guidance, like how to. 2026 DLS yours. My God, what is the reason? What is the reason behind this? What is the reason behind this? Why this one is not working? Uh, okay, guys, the last one. The last command I found. Okay, I'm going to type this. Mm, so listen, it is going to work or not. Yeah, I got. So what should I do now? Welcome to Maria DT monitor. Command in which this or this slash g dot server version is this. Uh, or have typescript to clear the current input state. Alright, so there is already command is there. So I have to check that. So now what I have to do is I have to type hyphen. So here the database schema schema myself document schema for rows in state. This my living on. You will see the full list of this. Open that database. Uh, use SDB as let's see what happened. So now what I have to do is I have to see the tables. What other tables are there? I have to check. And now there is a configuration and the user table. So I have to get the flag. I have to read star from config column. So yeah, the flag. Alright, this is freedom. Okay, so I think which one is the flag, bro? I didn't find anything about flag. This is the, I think this is the code. Okay, I already got the code, but there is three digit. What is the name of the fourth that is unique to the host? All right, guys. At first, I have to find this. The fourth number he's talking about, like fourth number, bro. Let me check the fourth number. The max size. Is it max size? The 2M. So which one is the correct answer for this one? There are three databases in this MySQL. Three database. One, two, three. Yeah. So I already found the flag. The flag is that this one is a flag. So I have to copy, then paste here. So I successfully completed this. I successfully completed the machine. Uh, the list will be uh, let's review the question. During our scan, which code do we find solving MySQL? So the for the MySQL, it is running in the 5006 port. So how to check this port? To check this port, we have to use nmap to scan the ports like nmap. Uh, And map PSV, service and version. That is that. Check for it. And what community develop MySQL version is the targeted running. So in MariaDB, the targeted running. Okay, so when using MySQL command line client, what field do you need to use in order to specify a login user slash NU? So this command we are using to this login username. Okay, so the next question is, which username allows us to log into this MariaDB instead without providing a password? Root. Root is a command we are using in the database. KN is specified in the query that we want to display everything inside. It's a hash. In SQL, what's also you need to change each query with semicolon. Let's see database English MySQL. Is that common across all MySQL? What is the name of the code? HSTP. So this is the command MySQL alias IP address -u root /sq.ssl. Alright. Alright guys, that's it for today. So we're gonna solve another machine. The next